Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix insufficient storage available on your Samsung Galaxy A3 from 2017. So here, as you can see, we do have our phone itself, and as you can see, and as you can remember, here in the Samsung Galaxy A3 we do have only 16 GB of storage, which is not that much. But even though we have that little memory, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that. So at first I'd recommend to clean the cache of our applications. For example, if you have TikTok, you can if you have some drafts, you can just delete them because they are useless and they are being stored on your phone and that's not nice. So at first we can go we have to go into settings, and here we have to now go straight into the application tab, which is here. Now we have to select our application, preferred application. So for example, here I do have Chrome, and as you can see here we have a tab storage. As you can see, space used. Application, here we do have kilobytes, so we don't really have to care about that. But if you have here some, for example, 500 megabytes, 200 megabytes, 100 megabytes, etc., you can just tap clear cache. As you can see, cache 0 bytes. And that's how you clear cache. You can clear cache all your applications that are useless. Here, for example, I have Facebook. Here, storage, clear cache, and that's how you do it. Apart from that, I do recommend to move your photos or videos or just files that you stored on your phone to other to other device. For example, we can move it to the SD card in our phone. It's where we start our SIM card. We have to just remove the SIM card tray and place here near our SIM the SD card, micro SD card, of course, this smaller one, and place it back again. Then we can move there our files, or we can move our files here to the cloud, for example Google Drive, or we can move our files to the USB drive. Here in our phone we have the USB Type-C port, so we can plug most USB drives, of course USB Type-C drives. Yeah, that's how you easily move your data, and I think that it's the best way because we don't lose our data actually. We don't really have to clear anything in our phone, and it will be best for us. And apart from that, I recommend to delete useless applications and data. To do so, you just have to go straight into the system settings here and back to the apps. Here we just have to delete all our useless applications. So for example, if PowerPoint is useless for you, you can just enter this application, and here you can easily disable or force stop this application. It's the pre-installed application because they have the license and a lot of different things, so we have to have this application on our phone, unfortunately, but we can disable and force stop this application so that it will use less storage. Don't use these applications like, for example, CC Cleaner or something like that. Don't use these applications because they are completely useless, and I don't really recommend them. They are just placebo, as I will say, and that's how it works. Apart from that, as a final tip, I do recommend to do a factory reset of your phone. And to do a factory reset, you can do it either from your system settings here. Of course, you will have to do a backup of your data if you want to have it, or move it to the cloud on the Google Drive. As I remember, you have free 15 GB of storage. You can create a new account and move your data there. Here on this phone, you do have 16 GB of storage, with half of it it's the system itself. so it won't be a problem for us to move the data to the Google Drive, or of course to some other USB drives, and then we can do a factory reset. To do a factory reset, we can go easily to the settings, and here we can go into the general management. Here we have to tap reset, and from the reset we have to tap factory data reset. But if it didn't help you, you have to if you can't do it from the system settings here, you have to turn off your phone and enter the recovery mode. But I think that the easiest way is doing factory reset directly from our system itself. Then we'll have to set up our phone again with data and with the credentials we have. As you get the phone, then you have to set up the phone. We'll just have to do the same here. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. If that helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, and see you next time.